Hi, UT family. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. Just $100 can set you on the path to building wealth. In this guide, we will walk through beginner-friendly strategies to get started. Even if you are new to investing or have limited funds, here how you can invest wisely and grow your money over time. Number one, set clear financial goals. Before you begin investing, define your financial objectives. Are you investing from retirement, a big purchase, or to build long term wealth? Having clear goals helps you pick the right investments and stay on track. Number two, start with a high yield savings account. If you are not ready to dive into the stock market, consider placing your $100 in a high yield saving from account as a safe first step. You will earn interest while keeping your money liquid and accessible for future investments. Three, investment is fractional shares. You don't need to buy a whole share to expensive stocks like Amazon or T-cells. Many brokerage such as Robinhood, Stash, and Fidelity allow you to purchase fractional shares, meaning you can own a portion of a stock for as little as $1. Number four, consider ETFs, exchange traders trading funds. ETFs are a great way or to diversify your investments as they hold a big basket of stocks or bonds with just $1. $100 you can buy a few shares in an ETF, spreading your risk across multiple companies. Popular options include total stock market ETFs, BDI or CBDR, and SP 500 ETF SPY. Number 5, use robo advisors for automated investing. Platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront offer robo advisors which automatically invest for your money based on your risk tolerance and goals. These services are perfect for beginners as they handle the complicated of choosing investments and replacing your portfolio. Number 6, invest in a low cost index fund. Index funds track the performance of a market index like the S&P 500, offering broad exposure to the stock market. They are known for low fees and long-term growth potential. With a little as $100, you can start building wealth with a low-cost index fund through brokers like Vanguard or Charters. Number 7, micro investing apps. Apps like Acoms and Stash allow you can to invest small amounts of money by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the space change. This set is it and forget it method is a simple way to start building an investment portfolio with very little effort. Number 8, invest in bonds or bond ETFs. If you are looking for a safer option, consider government or corporate bonds with which offer steady returns with less risk than stocks. You can also invest in bond ETFs, which also you to own a mix to bonds or diversification. Number 9, learn about dividend stocks. Dividend paying stocks reward shareholders with regular payouts. You can start small and investing in companies that pay dividends, revent those dividends, and regardlessly grow your portfolio over time. Look for reliable companies with a history of consistent payouts like Coca-Cola or Protector and Gamble. Number 10, continue contributing regular. The most important step to wealth building in consistency after your initial $100 investment. aim to contribute a small amount each month, whatever it's $10 to $50 or more. Compound investor interest will work if your favor over time, allowing your money to grow exponentially. Finally, thoughts starting with just $100 might seem small, but it's the first step to developing good financial habits and growing your wealth. By investing wisely and continuing to add to your portfolio over time, you can take advantage of compounding and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow.